or the basic example of that cloud. Okay. So now once I move more further from there, like end user, this is for example like a service provider. Okay. Service provider will take a things from the cloud. Cloud have what? Laptops, systems, everything. They will just take it from the cloud. That means company will not buy any kind of resources. Company will take it from the Microsoft people. Microsoft people will have their own servers. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Hassan.
Yes,
Company
sir. Yes,
people
sir.
will
Yes,
not
sir.
buy 500 laptops. Okay, now why is the cloud very important? See, basically storage is a very big thing. Day by day storages keep on getting increasing. Like a company people need to make sure that there should be a very big space. If for example company have a requirement of 500 servers. Okay, company have a requirement of 500 server, but company have a very less amount of room to put those servers in. What will the company do that time? But the company have just only 7 days work. Just for 7 days, why will the company buy 500 servers? They will tell Microsoft people they will take all the servers from the Microsoft. That means my in the like in like a Microsoft company, they have all those 500 servers and they will use it by the cloud. How they will use it from the cloud, we'll see that one. Okay, we'll see one by one. Okay, why cloud we see now. Benefits of cloud. What is the main benefit? Cloud lower the IT infrastructure and the computer cost. Computer cost will become less, right? People should not have to buy any kind of computer. For example, I will tell you one basic example. If I want to install Kali Linux on my laptop, okay, what exactly I will do? I need to have a 6 GB of RAM, right? At least minimum 4 GB of RAM is required for me to install the Kali Linux, right? Abdullah and Hassan,
Yes,
I
sir.
require
Yes,
at
sir.
least 4 GB of RAM, right? What I
Yes,
will
sir.
do,
Ji.
even though if I have 1 GB, even though if I have 1 GB of RAM, still I can use the Kali Linux. How? I will go to the Microsoft website and then I will open the free account that is for 30 days. I will get 200 credited. Dollars will be credited. That is for 30 days. And then after 30 days, they will charge the amount. That is like a different thing. If we are using their servers, they will charge the amount, but for 30 days it will be free. That means I will install a Kali Linux, even though if I don't have a size also, I will install on the Microsoft servers, not on your server, not on your laptop, on the
Okay.
Microsoft machine you will install. On Microsoft machine you will install, not on your laptop. That means nothing space is happening to your laptop. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
That
sir.
improve performance, that improve maintenance issue, that improve software updates, that will be useful for backup and recovery plan, that will be improves your storage capacity, that will be improve your data safety also. If anything get hacked, nothing will happen to your PC, you will be safe. Are you getting my point? If attack also happened, you think your servers will get harmed? Nothing will get harmed to your server. That's a Microsoft servers. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
You take the
Yes,
backup.
sir.
You have taken the backup and you taken your safety. If server also crash, for example, usually what will happen if my company server get crash, then company will be under the loss, right? But if the Microsoft server get crash, if nothing will happen to the Microsoft, right? Nothing will happen to you also if it get crash, because your server doesn't get crashed. Your laptop, your server is become, so your server, you have taken the backup, nothing will happen to your laptop. Even though if you have 1 GB of RAM, you can work on Kali Linux 5 6 machines also. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Types
sir.
of cloud. Types of cloud: private cloud, community cloud, public cloud, as well as hybrid cloud. What do you mean by a private cloud? Private cloud means what exactly? Company business information will be there. No other people can able to do the interaction. Community means all community members can do chat and everything. They can share the data. They can do anything. Private means only company information will be there. Other information will be not there on the cloud. Public cloud means business to consumer, consumer to business. Customer can contact if there are any issues. Okay. Hybrid means what? Both of them. Consumer to business thing, business to consumer. Any questions now? Public
No, sir.
cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud. Now, once I move more further, there are three types of environment in cloud. Software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. What do you mean by a software as a service? As I told you, company people will do what? Even though if you want to, even though if you want to install a Python also, you don't have to worry about any size. Okay, you don't have to worry about any size. That's a Microsoft server. You just install like a VMware machine, like how you will install in a VMware. So let's just tell you what is the basic difference between the VMware and the cloud. VMware means your laptop capacity is going away, right? But what about cloud? SaaS environment means system, servers, everything. That's a Microsoft servers. You are simply going, you are logging in, you are using their servers, you are installing the Python and everything, and you are simply working. Are you getting understand now what exactly I'm telling? Hassan and Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
are you getting understand? Now that is a SaaS service. Once I move more further from the SaaS, that is a platform service. Platform service means what? It's company painting. Teacher give you a task. Company people will give you a task. That platform will be what? Company, like a company software you will use, but on cloud. Getting a point? Company have given you to install Python. Company's Python you are installing on Microsoft. Okay. IaaS means infrastructure as a service. Everything that's not a company thing you are using in your own laptop. Example, application, data, runtime, middleware, OS. You manage. Virtualization, server storage will be managed by the Microsoft. That is infrastructure, IaaS. Platform means application, data. Two things. Rest all will be managed by Microsoft. Software as a service. Everything will be managed by what? As a SaaS. Everything is managed by Microsoft. Your data, your OS, your servers, your storage, networking, everything. Don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about, even though if you have 1 GB of RAM, you have to connection, you need to have a router, everything. You don't have to worry about router also. See, you don't have a router, right? At home, you don't have 5-6 routers. Even though if you don't have 5-6 routers, you can go to the cloud and then you can take that router and you can put it 5-6 computers in that router and then simply you can use it. That is a SaaS environment. Any
Okay, sir.
questions now?
No, sir.
Is a cloud is a good career? Yes, is a cloud is a good career. Only 3 to 5 years of experience, guys, earning $1,24,300 every year annually. And this cloud have 54 regions right now. Their quarters. You mean to say like their headquarters? You mean to say like where exactly they are operating places? Regions of Azure all across the world. Okay. Now, when I talk about, there are mainly more than 60 places where they have the support. If you have any questions, where you will ask. If you cannot able to install any servers, if you are getting any support issues, this is where the reason. In California they have, in North Europe they have their place, in West Europe they have their place. More than 60 plus countries are using that scenario. Okay, so now it's like a portal. It's a portal. Azure is what? A portal. Once we try to open that portal, it will be where we will get that portal in this side. HTTPS manage Windows Azure.com. You will get your ID. With any ID you can able to open that Azure portal. Because I have already opened my portal, I have already used. That means when I show you guys, I will get charged. But for you guys, initially it will be 30 days free and $200 will be, you can able to use those $200 because they will take your account details. Okay, and they will give what? 30 days trial period. After that, they will start charging from your card. Usually this thing buy by the company. They will ask you for the sign up, and once you sign up, they will give you 30 days free. That means you're signing from here. You're giving your details from here. For example, if you give your details here like this, for example, then where exactly they will go? They will go to the next site. They will ask you more details like this. Okay. They will go and then they will ask you credit card details on all. Sign in and they will ask you the complete details to give your Microsoft details. Do you wanted to buy that Azure? Initially 30 days it will give free, and 200 coins they will give. That means you can use it for free for 30 days. Okay. I have already used it. For that reason, I don't want to use it again. Okay. So let's just go here right now. Once you log in, this page look like this. Application, web machine, this cloud, SQL, data.